There are three conditions to satisfy when you're doing hypotheses testing: normal, random, and independence, which we use the 10% rule to check. For the first one, for random, we say that this is satisfied because we were able to simulate using the random integer colleges. But the thing that makes me uneasy about this is that I really only gave you a list of 100 colleges. So do you really think that's the entire population of public colleges in the nation? I think because of that, we might question that random. But for the most part, in a question, you'll be looking for a random sample, or you'll be looking for the entire population being chosen so that we aren't restricted with that 100. The next one is normal. For the normal one, we found that the sample size is greater than or equal to 30. That satisfies the central limit theorem. The only thing that I want to talk about is that we did find that there is an upper outlier. The upper outlier skews our data, which takes away the idea that it's a normal distribution. So if we were to remove that outlier, we would be more convinced of the normal distribution, and that would only make that normal condition stronger. The last thing is the 10% rule. So we found that 30 is not less than a tenth of the population. So because it's not less than a tenth of the population, the 10% condition is not met. To meet this condition, we would need a larger population size. What I want you to think about is how big would that population size actually need to be to satisfy the 10% rule. This is something that we can calculate using just simple algebra. While our conditions are not met in its entirety, we want to continue and just go through with our significance test.